Big Blue Button, Managing Layout. All users can change the layout of their meeting screen. Click on the Options menu ellipsis icon in the top right corner of the presentation area. Click on Manage Layout. 4 different layouts appear, each showing the position of participants' videos on the screen. Each user can select their preferred layout. Click on Update once the layout is selected. A message appears that the layout settings have been changed. Please note, moderators can update the layout for all participants in the meeting by toggling the Update to Everyone setting. Click on the Options menu ellipsis icon in the top right corner of the presentation area. Click on Manage Layout. Select the preferred layout. Click on the Update to Everyone toggle. This changes the setting to On. Click on Update. A message appears. Auto Layout Updates enabled. Layout updates are now applied to everyone. Layout settings changed.